Is your money on Wealthsimple actually secure? That's the question I kept asking myself when I first started investing, and the answer is yes, absolutely, but you have to do your part. Wealthsimple provides solid baseline security, but there are a few key settings I personally use that are essential for making sure my account is locked down like Fort Knox. 1. The single most important setting, two-factor authentication, 2FA. If you take one thing from this script, it's this: enable two-factor authentication. It adds a crucial second layer of security. Even if someone gets your password, they can't get into your account without a code from your phone. Go beyond SMS. While text message 2FA is better than nothing, I highly recommend using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Why? Because a bad actor can potentially perform a SIM swap attack to steal your phone number and receive your SMS codes. An authenticator app generates a time-sensitive, unique code on your device that is much harder to compromise. Action steps. In the Wealthsimple app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then Login and Security, and switch your two-step verification method to an authenticator app. Don't forget to write down and safely store your recovery code in case you lose your phone. 2. Use a strong, unique password. This is basic digital hygiene, but it's critical. Your Wealthsimple password should be long, complex, and not used anywhere else. If you reuse passwords and one of those sites gets hacked, your Wealthsimple account is the next target. My tip: I use a password manager to generate a truly random password and securely store it. It eliminates the need for me to remember a complex string and ensures it's unique. 3. Review login and security settings regularly. I make it a habit to check the login and security section of the app periodically. Trusted Places. Wealthsimple has a feature called Trusted Places where you designate a location, like your home, as safe for banking. This reduces the friction of entering verification codes while you're at home, but still prompts for extra security when you access your account from somewhere new. I make sure this setting is accurate and only includes places I absolutely trust. Account alerts. Check your notification settings. Ensure you have email and push notifications enabled for sensitive actions, such as login attempts from new devices or any money withdrawals. This lets you catch suspicious activity immediately. Summary of my security flow. My personal setup is: a strong, unique password managed by a secure password manager. Two-factor authentication enabled using a dedicated authenticator app, not SMS. Trusted Places set up on my home location for convenience, but with the peace of mind that new locations are challenged for a 2FA code. Notifications on for all security-related events. Following these steps drastically reduces the chance of anyone gaining unauthorized access. Wealthsimple does its part, and you need to do yours. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.